Alrighty, y'all, what's going on today? Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the one-touch coffee grinder from this company called Quiseen. Yeah, so I got this, well, mainly because I use my Keurig coffee maker a lot. And if you know anything about Keurig, most of the coffee things that you get, they come in these pods, and the pods are already grinded up. Essentially, you have to kind of like either choose from one of the Keurig pods or grind up your own coffee to put in your own personal pods so that you can make, Keurig cups with the coffee that you love the most. I'm a really big fan of certain types of coffee. Groundworks is one of them, and I like to be able to make my own pods, I guess you could say. And so I wanted a way that I could just grind coffee. And basically I wanted a coffee grinder that wasn't too expensive either, because it's not something that I felt like spending a lot of money on. So I found one that was really inexpensive, also works really, really well. And it's this. And if you're a coffee lover of any sort, I would highly recommend checking this thing out, because it's great for a number of reasons. It's got a really, really nice one-touch kind of design, one-touch function, you could say. So essentially, it makes things really quick, really efficient. All you have to do is you basically take this top off, you load your beans in there, any kinds of coffee beans. And by the way, you can also use this as a chopper for other things too. I mean, even though it's made for coffee, you can easily use it for like beans, seeds, other things that you might want to grind up. So yeah, you basically just put it in, and you use this little pulse button that's right here just to pulse it. So you can basically go, until it's a fine powder, or depending on what you're actually putting in there, you can work it until you're done, which is nice. It is a great compact design, so it doesn't take up very much space on your countertop. Nice. It's got a very, very slim, kind of all black look to it. Just cool. It'll fit in with pretty much any, modern kitchen. It's pretty slim too, for what it is, and just kind of has like a very, it's not like an attraction. It's very, very, very subtle. Got a nice inconspicuous kind of look to it, which I dig. Also, it is very, very lightweight too, so it's something that's easy to pick up, store around, whatever you need. You can store this away too, pretty easily by sticking it in a small cupboard when you're done. Kind of what we do. We don't really keep it out on the countertops. The blades in this thing are made from pretty durable stainless steel. Two of them, as you can see. They're not the sharpest things in the world, so you don't have to worry about like cutting yourself or anything, though don't slide your hand across them. Yeah, they are made from a really, really nice cutting steel. Also, this makes them very, very easy to clean, because this whole thing is made of stainless steel in here, so all you really have to do, and I just grinded up coffee, that's why it's in there, but it is very easy to clean as well. Not dishwasher friendly, but you can pretty easily wipe it out. The surface on the outside here is totally grippable, which is great. Love that it has a grippable surface. It's easy to hold while you're pulsing it, because once you start pulsing, this thing it's like a blender, it doesn't have a really big bottom either. The top is bigger than the bottom, so because of that quirky design, you kind of have to hold it while you're using it. So do keep that in mind, but the grip surface makes that a little bit easier. The lid on top is also transparent, which is nice. You can see everything that's happening inside while you're using it. So, you know exactly how much your beans have been ground. And then at the bottom, a nifty little thing that they've done is they've made this kind of like fan-like portion. Essentially, you can wrap up your cord in here for storage when you're done, so you don't have your loose cord flailing around everywhere. And then when you're ready to use it, they have a nice little port in which you can stick it out the back, so it's not resting on top of the cord while it's on the counter. It actually lies nice and flat. Yeah. Other than that, I mean, that's pretty much it. If you're, again, a coffee lover of any kind, you like to grind your own beans, make your own Keurig cups, whatever you do, I would highly recommend checking out this little coffee product. Again, it's the Quiseen one-touch coffee grinder. And yeah, stay caffeinated, people. Take it easy.